Hi guys, Marvin here from shopsadapage.com, and this is a part of our ESGS 2019 coverage. Today we're checking out the HyperX booth and see what are the latest offering from Kingston's high performance product division. With that said, let's get into it. Hi guys, Marvin here from shopsadapage.com, and we're currently here at the HyperX booth here at ESGS, and I'm with Sir
Denny Driz. So I'm the sales manager for Luzon and Metro Manila.
So we're going to check out the latest products that HyperX has to offer. So let's check it out, guys.
So this is the Cloud Alpha S. So yung Cloud Alpha S natin is an upgrade of the Cloud Alpha. Basically, it comes with the same design, but the color is color blue. Then it has the intuitive volume adjustment for bass. Meron rin siya nung dual chamber. So in terms of adjustment of the mids, highs, and the bass, there's a separate chamber for that. So that you will have a good quality pagdating sa sound ng high, mids, and lows niya. So of course, it's still a wired headset with a dongle, controller dongle. So you can use the dongle to control also the sound for the Alpha settings, Alpha S. Then price of Alpha S wala pa. So for the keyboard, we are launching our first Alloy Origins. It's called Alloy Origins, which is we're using HyperX switches already.
Oh, so you already have your own brand switch?
So we have our own switch, HyperX switch. So it's an RGB keyboard that we're launching right now here at the ESGS 2019. Then the last one that I'll be talking about is the Cloud Mix.
That's the wireless, Bluetooth
and wired at the same time.
Both.
Mix.
Okay,
Yes.
nice.
All right. This is the Cloud Alpha Mix. Basically, from the words itself, mix. So we're mixing Bluetooth and wired for a headset, so that you can enjoy listening for music and also doing gaming. Of course, iba yung experience natin kapag wired siya. So I recommend na pagka you do gaming, you use wired pa rin. Then for music listening, you can use the Bluetooth.
So what's the version of Bluetooth? Is it 5.0 already?
I think it's just 4.0. Yeah, just a 4.0. Now we're showcasing here at ESGS the Cloud Mix with the Swarovski design, just for show.
I was about to ask, is that the default design?
No. So the Swarovski design is just for show. So we use it for these kinds of events. So of course, it's one of our top of the line headsets. So that our promise to our HyperX fans is also have a good quality in terms of their experience and comfort with headsets that they're using for gaming.
Another question is, do you have any ongoing product development that we should be expecting in the future?
Definitely. We will be going to launch more exciting products in the future.
Better gaming headsets. Versions of the...
Maybe not only gaming headsets, but we're creating an ecosystem for gamers. So we're looking forward to offer them not only for headsets, but also the keyboards and also the gaming mice.
You basically already have everything because you also have the microphone for streamers, right?
Yes, the Quadcast, although it's not yet available also in the Philippines.
So my last question, sir, is do you have any ongoing promotions that people can take advantage this ESGS?
Definitely. So for the whole 3-day event, we will be giving some flash sales. So I'm inviting everyone to visit our booth and avail the 50% off.
50% off.
Yes.
That's
So And of course, not only for selected items, but we also have regular discounts during the whole event of ESGS, so that you can enjoy the money worth that you will buy from HyperX.
Aside from that, sir, do you have any events on this particular booth that's happening this?
Yes, there will be some exhibition game between the Team Kang and Jusette. Yeah, and also the Team Execration will be having an exhibition game as well. So Execration is one of our endorser for HyperX. And there's a lot of influencers visiting our booth for the next 3 days. So I'm quite excited, and I'm encouraging everyone to come and visit the booth here in ESGS, the HyperX booth, and have take some photo with their favorite influencers. Yeah.
All right, sir. I think that's about it. Thank you very much for the opportunity, sir.
Thank you very much.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more ESGS 2019 coverage like this, and don't forget to like our Facebook page for quick updates. Have a great day and see you on the next video.